Hello everyone, welcome to the series. Today we will be making this 3D using this 2D design drawing we are having. So let's go. Go to sketch, select the plane, and now we will go to sketch and select what we need to draw. We will go with center triangle. So what we are making is that we are making the base first. So let's go. And there is one change. We are not going to go with through hole that you are seeing 15 mm diameter through hole. Let's go. We will be defining it, and then what we will be making is that we could have used chamfer here to make the corners, but we are using chamfers and fillets and all. We will be learning about them in our future videos, and we have used them in our past videos also. So we will be using in the more conventional way and like this. So let's go. Now we will be going with center arc, circular arc. Now let's go. So as you can see, our base is looking ready. Now we will be removing all the extra parts. Okay, we need to define it also. We have not defined it yet. Okay, let's go. This is 9 mm. You can clearly see here 9 and 9. Similarly on the other side also it is going to be 9 and 9. Okay, let's go. Now we will be removing all the extra parts, but before that we need to define it more. So this is going to be 51 mm. As you can see, 60 minus 9, it is 51. So let's go. Now go to remove all the extra parts here. Now you can clearly see it is looking more like our base that we are having. So let's go. We will be defining it. Oh, okay. As you know, after completion of defining, it becomes black. Otherwise, if it is not defined clearly, it is blue. So let's go. Our target is to make this drawing, the outline of this drawing, black. Let's go. Now we will be defining the angle, which is going to be 135 degree. Done. Now it has turned black, and we can clearly say it is fully defined now. Go to extrude, and you can see it is 9 mm. So let's go. We will extrude it to 9 mm, and we will continue. Okay. Now we are going to make a sketch on the top plane also, so that we are extruding this part out. Let's go. For that we need the reference line, center lines. So let's go. One here and another across it. Done. Now let's go. Okay, let's go. Define it all. 18. Okay, and this is 15. So by we need that center also. So let's go. We'll make this. It is 7 mm width. Okay, let's go. Remove this part. To sketch, define it also. This 7 mm it is. Now we need to do what we need to do is that we need to symmetric it. So let's go. Select this, and select the center line. Now we make symmetric. Good. Let's go. One more circle. As you know, we are not making the through hole, so instead of what we will doing is we will be extruding it. So it is of 15 diameter. Let's go. We'll extrude it. It is not defined yet how much we need to extrude, so let's see how much we can. Okay, 40. I think so. It is looking too big. Let's do it till 30. Let's see how it is. Okay, perfect. Now what we will doing in that, we will removing this part, extra part out. Let's go. Okay, done. You can clearly see it is defined. Now extrude cut and